What's going on YouTube? Michael here. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to create a community on Whop. Now, if you're brand new, you don't have a community, you're in the right space. I'm going to teach you how to build a Whop step by step. And I'm also going to give you the tools to start driving traffic to that Whop. And what I mean is you're going to get access to the digital playbook right here. This is what I use to build up my own Whop. And also this has a list of 130 tools that you're able to get paid to promote, a lot of short form content that you're able to post in your Whop, and a lot of really cool other free stuff that's going to help you build out your Whop. So the first thing you're going to want to do is click the link in the description, and that's going to take you to this page right here where it says onboarding. Now, you're not going to have this. This is my Whop, but you're going to hit create new organization. 123 community is what I'm going to name it. How does Whop help people? So learn to master. So I'm going to say I'm normally in the AI niche. Let's just talk about content creation. Learn how to create content with AI. Building 123 community. So once you have this built up, you'll see right here you have steps 1 through 9 required. And what this is talking about is this is how you're going to be able to get shown on the Discover tab. So what the Discover tab is, it's right here, and it's kind of like a search feature where you're able to get discovered. I'll go into that after we set this up. So I would just go down here. So add a title, description, and headline. Boom, description. Now, when I'm filling out all this stuff, it's going to be pretty basic, but let's say you want to make sure it looks good. Just go into ChatGPT and type this in. If you need the prompts for it, let me know in the comments and I'll give those to you. We help. That's fine. Category, social media. I would leave these blank. Yep. So this is going to be for if you're making this a free or if it's paid. If it's paid and you enable this, what this means is when someone like takes their cursor and tries to leave the screen, that's when a pop-up notification will come up. And then, so I got to finish onboarding, and then this is where you would go to apply for Discover, which I'll talk about later. Add a logo. I don't really know if I have a logo. These are just AI generated images of myself. I'm going to skip that obviously, but you guys know how to get a logo. There's a website that I use called iconfinder.com. You can use that. Gallery images, what those are. What does it say? Edit app. Add apps. Okay, gallery images. That's, how do I get out of this? These are your gallery images right here. So that's where you go to add those. But manage apps, that's going to be what's up here. So they have a ton of apps. The chat app, this might be one of my favorite things. It's literally an iMessage style way to communicate. So let's go ahead and add that. Also, what I've done, off topic, but I used to have my team inside of Slack. That's how we would do all of our communications. But now we have our own internal Whop, and this is what we communicate on instead of like a chat thing. We just use Whop. And see how it kind of looks like the iMessage stuff. I think that's really cool. Once you have users inside your Whop, this is where you'll be able to see them. You can invite people. It's one of the most popular apps. We can go to courses. If you're wanting to make a course, you can do that. There's also different ways how you're able to structure it. So something like a form right here. This is what I have for the beginning of my Whop. I have this as kind of my start page. We'll go back here, app settings. So mine says like new start here. And then you can change the different icons by just clicking here, use different emojis, whatever you want. But different post layouts, I like this. These are where you're able to have only admins can post. How many, or whenever you post, if they get emails. But let's just come here. So what I have is like, welcome to your group. And then you want some type of just message, and then at the end of the message, say something like, introduce yourself and let me know your goals. Something simple like this. So when someone comes in here, they'll just see a thread of people, starts to build that community aspect. App settings, forums. Now, something that a lot of people on Whop do, which I don't do, but one of the big things is you're able to link your Discord. Discord is a big app here. Completely understand. So if you have a Discord community already, you can, or you're selling a Discord community, you can use Whop as your paywall, which is super cool. So they would just, boom, pay through that, and then have access to your Discord right here, connect. All they would do is just boom, and then the Whop would add them to your Discord. Super, super easy. So let's go to other apps. Announcements, that's pretty much the same thing as forums. Content, this is more of a writing thing. So what I like about this is it's literally Notion. Not Notion, but the same format as Notion, which I love. I use Notion as well. Configure. So change that heading. It could be like, I don't know. So let's say you don't want to create a course in here and you just want to link it out, do that way, but like same type of, oh, you got to type down here for commands. Boom, whatever, heading, divider. So voila. Just go through a couple more apps here. Links, affiliate links, video guide. So this is something that I do is I go live in my Whop every day, and video calls, super simple. Boom. So that's what it looks like. So they'll just come in here, put it in, join room, and then obviously it's just view it as a visitor. I mean, there's not another person in here, so you can't really see, but you can see that there's a chat right here. People we like to communicate in. I share my screen a lot of the time, microphone, but I really like this feature, and this is just what it is. Allows you to join in again. But this is a quick overview of how to build out your Whop. One of the last applications I did not talk about is the courses. Pretty self-explanatory. Build out your course in here. I just like the simple aspect, that the interface of it, the UI. So that is the overview of this. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comments. If you need help building out your Whop, go ahead and hit the first link in the description. My team would love to help you do that. Have any questions? And like I said, if you want the digital playbook right here, it will be in that link as well. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.